I see a lot of comments online about IEMs where people say, I had to return these because I didn't think they sounded as good as others claim. I saw a lot of reviews praising them for this or that, and when I listen to them, I can't hear half of the quality that people are describing. I think in a lot of cases, this might be user error because there are some IEMs out there that I listen to, and I can guarantee you they are so good, it's impossible or close to impossible. I know we all hear things a little differently and we have different preferences, but I think it's close to impossible to be unhappy with them because they have amazing quality if you are using them properly. So in this short video today, I'm going to give you guys 3 tips about what you can do to get the best out of your IEMs. Tip number 1, and this is absolutely the most important one, you have to create proper seal in your ear. The quality of sound getting out of your IEMs depends on you creating that proper seal. I can't understate how important this is. If you fail to create a good seal, if your IEMs are not sitting properly in your ears, you will never be able to hear them the way they were designed, they were meant to perform. You will never get the proper amount of bass, which obviously leads to user unhappiness and critical reviews and a feeling of, everybody's crazy. Where are all these good reviews coming from if these sound like crap? So in order to make sure that you are creating that good seal, tip number 1 is to select proper ear tips. Work with every size that is delivered by the manufacturer, and if for some reason you're not happy with what the manufacturer gave you in the set, there are several companies out there that make extra ear tips that you can use. Big shout out to Sonic Foam. You guys have to check these out. This is not paid advertising in any way. It is based 100% on my customer experience with Sonic Foam. They have incredible customer service and they make several different products and they will work with you to help you find the best fit for your ears. And these are foam tips. So pay attention. There are silicone tips and foam tips. Foam tips in general do tend to be more comfortable, but of course people will be all over the place with their preferences. Some of us will prefer silicone tips over the foam. Some will say foam is so much better. In any case, it is really worth giving a shot if you are unhappy with the foam tips delivered in your IEM set. My particular story and why I am recommending Sonic Foam so much is I started my journey with the IEMs with these KZ ZS10 Pro, and these are really up there. They are really wonderful. Separate video review of these is coming, but I couldn't get the full experience the way it should be with the manufacturer supplied tips. So I found Sonic Foam, they worked with me, and now as you can see here, I don't know if you can see, I'll do a close-up of this. They are equipped with the Sonic Foam tips and they are working wonderful for me. I couldn't praise these enough, largely due to the proper fit, thanks to these foam tips that are sitting on them right now. There are several other companies out there like Comply, for example, and their tips come with a genius design. They come with a mesh that prevents your ear gunk and other dirt from going onto more sensitive parts of your earbuds. And then, of course, when it's cleaning time, you can wash just the tips instead of trying to fight the difficult battle of removing dirt and ear gunk from the actual tips of your earbuds. Tip number 2 relates to the same topic. The way they sit in your ears matters the most. So in my experience, the best way to insert them into your ears is to put the hook around your ear first, and then the IEM already sits nicely in your ear, but then you pull your ear sort of up and back at the same time, and that kind of lets you push it in deeper than you normally would if you don't pull your ear up and back. So once you do that, you hold your IEM in the position and then you let your ear go and it kind of settles in there. And you can feel it. Of course, if it hurts, don't do that too hard. Don't cause stress to yourself. Don't cause any harm. But that is the best way to make sure it goes in as deep as possible, and it creates that really proper seal that will let you experience the music in the best possible way. Tip number 3, use your IEMs with a DAC. This will definitely enhance your auditory experience, your music listening experience. Your IEMs, by default, most of them, I think about 95% of them, come with a TRS cable. So if you are an iOS user, you will need an adapter cable like this. So you connect this here, and this goes into your iOS device. Other smartphones devices that have small jack 3.5 millimeters should be able to accommodate this. So your IEMs will sound okay with your smartphone, with your a little better with your MacBook Pro or your computer or whatever you're using to stream your music. But something like this, a portable DAC, this in particular is the iFi Hip DAC 2, will definitely enhance the sound and let you get most out of your set. And it will allow you to squeeze the most quality out of your equipment. It has the high-res audio label here on the back for a reason, because with the wired connection, there is no more calculating how much data can be transferred over the airwaves, over Bluetooth. So therefore, you're ensuring the highest quality. And this particular one also has a very cool button here. So if you're still not hearing enough bass out of your IEMs, which is possible, all of them do sound very different, you press this little magic button here, and it will make bass lovers very happy. I guarantee you that, because this enhances the bass in a very natural way. It doesn't sound artificially, digitally equalized. It gives you this very warm, deep, beautiful bass that feels very, very natural. And I know you may say, David, this DAC you're recommending is way more expensive than my IEM set. You know what? That's how things are sometimes. The good thing is you can use this with many, many different sets, including big over-ear headphones, studio monitor headphones. So this actually is really worth it. It's the crucial component of your audio system. And this one is very portable. The battery on this lasts for 8 hours on a full charge. I actually never ran out of it during the day. So I have a feeling it lasts for a little longer than the manufacturer advertised. In any case, this is a beautiful little device, really worth your money. That's it from me today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I appreciate your time, your comments, and your likes. And of course, stay tuned because I have a lot more exciting content coming up.